Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning everyone. Let me introduce my team. We are from 11 team. And I, Rosa, as a presenter. And there are Hudan and Windu as a presenter. Today the topic or presentation is hortatory exposition. Okay, let's move on to the first presentation that will be delivered by Hudan. Hudan, time is yours.
Okay, let me start. The first is the definition about hortatory exposition. Hortatory exposition text is a kind of English text that belong to the argumentative text. Hortatory exposition is a type of English text which represent the author attempt to influence the reader to do something or act in particular way. In hortatory exposition text, the authors give some opinions about certain things to reinforce the main idea of the text. So, this hortatory exposition is an exposition text that contains the author's opinion on an issue accompanied by supporting arguments. This text is persuasive and aims to influence the reader to agree with the views written.
Well, turning our attention now to the social function. Social function of hortatory exposition is used to persuade the reader or listener that something should or should not be the case or be done. So, the social function of hortatory exposition is to raise an issue or problem and explain to the reader why a thing or action on that problem has to happen or be done, or shouldn't have happened or be done.
So let's move on the genre structure. Okay, so in this thesis contain the opinions held by the author and the opinion of reading. So argument. The argument in the form of a review from the author as argument must be explained with supporting ideas or supporting ideas. 3. Recommendation. Statement of what should not happen or be done based on the given argument. Recommendation for the author or suggestion given for the discussion that has been written.
Next, language features of hortatory text. Point number 1 is focusing on the writer. Point number 2, using action verb. Point number 3, using a modal or verb, centrally, surely, etc. Point number 4, using temporal connective, firstly, secondly. Point number 5, using evaluative, valuable, imperant, etc. Point number 6, using passive voice. Point number 7, using simple present tense. Point number 8, the use of modal and adverbs. May, must, should, etc. So usually hortatory text uses the simple present tense because this text describes opinions that are not bound by time reference. Then put forward an argument so that there are conjunctions such as firstly, secondly, and others.
Okay guys, this is the first example of hortatory text exposition, entitled The Importance of Health Protocol to Prevent COVID-19. Next is an example. The text above tells about the importance of health protocol to prevent COVID-19. The text is included in the hortatory exposition. Text belonging to this type is divided into 3 parts: thesis, argument, and recommendation. We can see this first example based on the generic structure. In the first paragraph, there is a thesis, which is the first topic you want to convey here. It is mentioned COVID-19 is becoming the main problem of the world right now. In the second paragraph of argument is a paragraph that contains opinion that support the main idea. The more opinion written, the more interesting hortatory exposition will be because readers tend to believe in and even with many supporting opinion principle in it. Why? Because it is explained here. First, the health protocols such as wearing masks and washing the hand can prevent the person from getting infected by COVID-19. Another reason is practicing physical distancing can help the government to reduce the number of cases and the tracking. And in the last paragraph contain recommendation. Usually in hortatory exposition there are more than two arguments. The more argument, the more older believe that the topic is important and requires attention.
Okay, now we proceed to the second example. We can see the text entitled about timeless. In the first paragraph, it is called the thesis, and the second paragraph which contain the reason is called the argument, and the last paragraph is called the recommendation.
Okay, next, difference between hortatory exposition and analytical exposition. So, analytical exposition is a type of text that contains an explanation of the author argument about an issue that needs attention. This type of text serves to influence the reader that something needs attention. Meanwhile, a hortatory exposition is a text that contains the author's opinion about something and functions to influence the reader that something needs attention and persuade the reader to do or not do something.
Okay guys, in conclusion, let me sum up the point. So hortatory exposition text is a text that explains and encourages or persuades its readers to do or not do something.
That's all we can say. Sorry if here a word mistake. Thank you for your attention. Wassalamualaikum.